Hello friends, today we're going to change the engine air filter, also called the air cleaner, on my 6th generation Mitsubishi Mirage. That's 2015 onward. This is an aftermarket Wix filter. I'll include a link in the video description.
That's it. Plastic line is built in. Yeah. Not all filters have the weird plastic, but it's going to fit in this way. The dirty air comes in through the snorkel, it's the resonator, and then it hits the back of the filter, which is actually the front, goes through and down the intake to the throttle body.
For reference, the filter that I'm removing was last replaced about 24,000 kilometers or 3.5 years ago. In my opinion, replacing the air filter is kind of a scam because the mass airflow and the manifold air pressure sensors are downstream of the filter. So if you have a dirty filter, the engine will adjust and it won't run rich or anything like that. It only affects the theoretical maximum power available. Now we're going to reach in and clear out any leaves or anything that was stuck on the back side behind the filter.
Now come closer so you can see the fit. This is the filter. Yeah. Now you can film these two holes. You can see the two tabs. Right here, and then right here. And then filter box. Filter pushed in. It's in on this side. Pushes in. And these clips come across over. That's it. Yeah. This is the positive crankcase ventilation tube. It's prior to the throttle body because it allows a vacuum to form in the engine block.
Here are the official replacement instructions from Mitsubishi. Here's a diagram of the engine air cleaner assembly. So you can see number 1 on the bottom right is the positive crankcase ventilation tube. That's what limits me from opening the air cleaner further. So number 8 here is the air filter. The air filter intuitively kind of feels backwards because it feels like dirty air is entering the back of the filter, but it's intentionally oriented this way to give maximum surface area to the dirty, unfiltered air. Here's a diagram of the positive crankcase ventilation system. So you can see the breather hose is behind the air filter, which is shown by the X on the right, and in front of the throttle body. Here we have the recommended service interval for vehicles in Canada. So number 3 is the air cleaner element. It's recommended that we replace it every 32,000 kilometers or 20 months. Thank you for watching. I will include the Wix part number and a link to the product on Rock Auto in the video description. Please leave any questions or comments down below.